Good day, guys. You are welcome to this training. My name is Austin, and I am the CEO of Austin Tech Digital Agency. In this training, we are going to be learning how we can build a website. First and foremost, what is a website? A website is your online presence. A website is your URL that people go on browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Brave browser to look up and see what you are doing online. It might be you are selling goods, it might be your company website, it might be your news blog, anything at all you are doing on the website. It might be your portfolio showcasing your skills and talents. That is a website. So on this video, I'll be showing you different types of websites and how we can actually get something like that for ourselves. First and foremost, let's go to an online store, which is e-commerce. If you are, let's assume you are selling goods. It might be in the market, anywhere you are selling it. Undoubtedly, it will do well on the website too. You need something like this for your business. Let's say you need this now. You have this now. Users can order the materials, order the items, check out. They can either pay on delivery or make the payment directly from your website, and you will receive the money from the payment details you added there. In this training, we are going to be learning how we can build this. Also, it might be just a company that you are running, and you need just a business website for it. Like this Dangote.com is a good company, for instance. Let's just use that as a reference, because we are going to also build something like this in this training. This is a company website where the company showcases what they are doing in the company. And this is a sleek one I built. It's also a business website where the company showcases what they are doing. It might be a real estate. Might be a real estate website. Where you sell properties and list properties for sale, and buy properties also. You can see list of properties here. This is a real estate website. It might be a news blog that you want to be blogging, and trust me, Google pays well for bloggers. That's why you see all those Vanguard, the Linda Ikeji, they are always blogging on a daily, posting daily content and trends just to keep you engaged, because Google is paying them handsomely for it. Let's check for this blog site. I just built something, you know, for just a demonstration purpose for this training also. This is a good sample of a blog where people read articles, news, and trends. So, after showing you this, let's dive into how can we really get a website. How can we start up a website? How can we start designing a website? How can we make our website look professional? Let's start from domain name. A domain name is your website's name or your business name accompanied with the extension. It might be like mine is austintech.ng, which is the extension. Yours can be alahaji.ng or .com, or kabiru.ng or .com, depending on what you are doing on the website. Jumia, you know, Jumia .com.ng is the domain name of Jumia. So getting a domain name, you need to sign up with an hosting company, and we have varieties of hosting companies out there. You can try Namecheap. 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 You can try Bluehost. You can just take your time and make research on the best, even hosting gas, Zillion King, and plenty hosting companies out there. You can just take your time, make research, check the cheapest, and get yourself a domain name and a hosting account. That takes us to what is a hosting account. A hosting account is an online server where your website files and details are saved. So each time someone inputs your domain name inside of the browser sends the domain name to the hosting, which is the server side, and the server sends back what is inside of the server to the browser so that user can see it. And all these things are done within milliseconds, as in under the twinkle of an eye. Sharp, you don't send and go, carry and come back, so you can display what you have there. So you need a hosting and a domain name. If you don't know how to get that, it feels complicated for you, kindly reach out to me on the number showing on your screen so I can set up one for you. That takes us to which of the tools do we need to get this website done. After getting your domain name and hosting account, this is how your cPanel will look like, because your hosting company will send you the whole details of what you need, both your website domain name, the URL, and the login details for the cPanel. This is the front side of your cPanel. Then when you log in your cPanel, this is how it will look like. Now that you have gotten your domain name and you have your cPanel, your hosting, everything is set up, let's talk about the tools we need to design this website. That is where WordPress comes in. You now have to go and install WordPress. Why we are using WordPress is because it is a free tool and it does not require any coding. You don't have to write any line of code when you are using WordPress. It's just installation, drag and drop designing. And this is WordPress here. In my own case, as you can see, I have multiple websites already that are built with WordPress. In your own case, everything will be empty. So you just hit on install and choose the particular domain. You don't need to choose any particular domain because that is the only domain you have. Just click here and remove this WP that is here. In my own case, I will remove this WP because I want my website to be in a directory, not inside of my major domain. Like I told you earlier, my website is under development and I want to use it for something very, very, very special, not for this tutorial purpose. Then when you are done with that, you give the site a name. You know what you are building the website for. It might be online store, it might be company website, anything you feel like giving it, just give it a name. Then when you are done with all that, you come over here, choose an email that you will likely use. Note the email you are choosing, you are also going to create it inside of that your cPanel. Then you hit on install. Automatically it will install. Then you can now go back, search for, on this server you search for email. You search for emails. Look at the email here. You create an email with the particular email that you inserted on the WordPress installation, during the WordPress installation. This is mine here. Then you have to just, it will be empty. Just this system mail check, which is not your, that is just your server mail. Then you click on create. You will now choose a username for the email. It might be info, it might be support, it might be anything at all you feel like naming your email. Then you hit on enter password. You can generate the password or input the password that you will likely remember and click on create. You now have your email running. Let's go back to the WordPress installation. As God may have it, our WordPress has been installed successfully. This is how it will look on your own after installation. Here is the front page of the website, and here is the back end of the website. We are not going to the front yet, but we'll open it also so you understand what we are saying clearly. Now, as you can see, the WordPress has been installed, but it looks somehow. It looks very local. No design, but at least you started with something. You started something. Let's go to the dashboard, which is that back side, which is here. When you come to the dashboard, as you can see, everything is empty. There's nothing yet happening. Then you head over to the appearance. There are a list of things here that you can choose from. But for this tutorial purpose, we are building just a business website. Understand? With a free theme. So you're not going to buy anything yet. But when it's time to buy, I will let you know. You come over to this place and you choose Astra. Search for Astra theme. This is the thing that is installed before, but we don't need this. Let's go to Astra. Astra. And this is it here. All you're doing is hit on install and wait for the installation to complete. As you are waiting, kindly hit on the subscribe button, follow my channel. Then you click on activate. Now, Astra has been installed successfully. Let's go back to the front side of the website, refresh. As you can see, there's nothing now showing because we have removed the one there before and we now have Astra, and yet it looks somehow just hello world, store, sample page. There's nothing inside of the website. Now is the time to install something that will bring content to the website. Let's give the website a design, a unique look, depending on what you want to work on. Then you head over to, you see here plugins. You click on add new plugins. We are using starter template. A plugin called starter template. This starter template helps Astra in building pages and designing pages. It gives it a unique look, telling people what your website is all about. So let's say starter. Thank God it pops out here. Then you now hit on install. Wait for it to install. As you are waiting, don't forget, kindly hit on the subscribe button. The plugin has been activated. So let's refresh. Then you hit on the plugin, get started. You come to appearance and you click on starter templates to import the look you want your website, how you want your website to look. This is AI website builder, but we are not using AI website builder. Let's start from scratch. Click on build with templates. Then where it shows you these three box here, don't choose Elementor, don't choose on this. Choose Beaver Builder. You can actually make your choice. No matter the website you're building, the theme is here. Look at it here. We should just go with this. This is it here. Now it's asking for site logo, but we're not going to do that now. This is where you choose what and what you want to be on the website. Yes, for me, I need contact form on it. I need live chat. Just check. I need e-commerce on it. Donation. I don't need donation. There's you enter your name. Continue. Now it says we are building your website, so you have to wait. Wow, now he said congratulations, your website is ready, and it took just 3:21 minutes to build. That's awesome. Now we have to back this website up so we don't lose the progress of what we've done. Let's go back to the dashboard. Remember, this was our website. Let's install another plugin that is used for backup. Say all in one migration. Look at it here. So we don't lose our website data. We don't lose our job that we've done. Now activate it. Now our website file is backed up successfully. The backup is working now. So let's go back to our website and refresh to see how it actually looks and see what we've done if it's working. As you can see, we now have a beautiful looking website here. Wow, this is awesome. We're not going just to leave it like this. We have to take some measures, designing the pages. Let's go back to our dashboard. Let's start from adding page to our website. As you can see, this is the page that came with it, which you saw on the navigation bar, like about us, contact page, and all that. But let's add one. Let's name it like gallery, so you know how to add a page to your website. I just name it gallery and hit on publish. It is published already. We are not going to use edit with Elementor. Let's go to edit library and edit the page from there. From this section here, you choose how you want the page to look like. Let's name it, let's set for gallery theme. So this is our gallery page. On this gallery page, you're not just going to start dragging and dropping from the Elementor. You have to click on starter templates. From the list of the starter templates, you have to search, let's say gallery here. You can see there are varieties of it, but let me just choose a free one, because like I told you, everything we are going to be doing on this tutorial is free. You click on import template. Let's wait for it to import. Now, as you can see, the gallery has been imported successfully, and this is how it looks now. It looks really amazing. From here, you can edit anything and add anything you feel like adding, but that's not what we are doing now. Let's go down to change the site title. Firstly, you go back to the dashboard. You go to the appearance again, then you see customize there. Wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, it has loaded up. Let's go to the global first. Let's head down to the site identity. Now you click on the site title and logo setting. As you can see, this is the logo here. But because we don't have any logo yet to put, we have to remove this one there, and let's use the site title as the logo first for now. So if you feel like changing your site logo, you head over here, you click on upload files and select the files you want to upload. As you can see, I successfully changed the logo to my own logo, but I don't like this logo, so I'll still change it. See, let me upload. Just keep cropping and let's wait for it to upload there. Wow, we now have my logo up here. We still need to change this one. This one that says retinal logo, which means if your website is on a white background, what you show there. I'll add this particular logo there also and click on choose image. Now you hit on publish. Remember, we are not done yet. So you go back to your dashboard. Let's go and configure our contact us page so that the form can be delivered to us. So head over to pages. You see the contact us page here? Click on edit. Now you choose on edit with Elementor. Here is the contact us page here. You can see the form, the address, everything, how you want it to be. You can just design this. Like I told you earlier, anything you are doing on this side of the page, it will reflect here. Okay, let's start from like editing the email. As you can see, the email is showing here already. I will just highlight that, clear it, and add my info at austintech.ng. You can choose an icon for it. Let's choose an icon. I'll choose email icon. Or rather envelope for the email. As you can see, the logo, the icon has entered already. So let's tie the icon. You can just center everything if you want to center, or leave it there. Give it spacing if you feel like. This is the contact us page where your visitors or users will fill in their details to contact you. As you can see, this page is very, this particular image is very big, so let's reduce it. Go to advanced. As you can see, it's reducing now. Oh yes, we now have at least a smaller, good-looking preview for the contact us page. Now we now hit on publish. Remember, we have not tampered with the menu bar. So let's set up the menu bar. We'll go to appearance again. You can see menus here. Now this is what you have on the menu. You can wipe all this out if you don't need it, but in my own case, I just think we should leave it. Let's add, you remember we created a page called gallery page. Let's add the gallery page to the menu bar. Now the gallery page has been added. You can edit the menu, make it anyhow you want it to be, shift it, place place it anywhere how you want it to look like. When you are done with that and it matches your satisfaction, and I want this menu to appear not just on the primary menu, I also want it to appear on the footer. And then click on save. And let's visit the website once more to see how it looks now. As you can see, the gallery page has been added to the menu. Now this is how our gallery look, but yet I'm still not satisfied with how it looks, because this header side has a white something and it is hiding this logo over here. So let's do something about it. Let's go back to the pages again. Let's click on edit. So as you can see, let's see transparency here. Transparency header, you enable it and you return. Well. Now you can see how cool it looks like. Let's go, because you know we're not done yet. Let's go and edit the footer side of the website. You still come back to site identity. You see footer viewer here. You can either customize the widget or the copyright. So you can customize the copyright part here. This is for the footer, and ensure everything is aligned center. Now let's add live chat to the website. go to plugins, you go to search for plugins, then search for SmartSupp. SmartSupp is a very good assistant live chatbot for your website, and I recommend it so well. There are varieties of them out there, but we are using SmartSupp for this. Once it's done installing, you click on activate. Now our SmartSupp has been activated. Look at it here. Let's hit on settings. Now it requires that we will sign up or you log in, but let's create a free account. It can be your webmail email, it can be any email in your mobile phone. Now it has been created. You go to your email inbox to confirm. As you can see, the SmartSupp is here. The SmartSupp is here. So anyone that needs the service can chat with you on the live chat. So let's look for the site visibility on tab on mobile, because I've been viewing it on laptop, on Windows, on desktop. So let's check it on mobile and see how it looks. As you can see, it looks so well on desktop, and it looks absolutely fine on mobile. So we have been able to build something very, very, very beautiful. But let's customize our form so it can deliver messages to us. If you head down, you will see your form plugins here, which is this WP form. Automatically, when we are installing this, it was installed. Then you hit on settings. This is that particular contact form under your theme. So the WP form comes with the theme when you were installing it. You can customize the form here, or you leave it as it is. As you can see, this is the form here, and that is that particular form on our website that says contact us on the contact page. You head down to setup. You head down to settings. You head down to settings. You see confirmation, click on confirmation. This will determine the kind of confirmation message you will receive, or the user will receive when he or she submits a form in the form field. We can just leave it like this, that says, "Thank you for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly." But let's say you don't want it to be a message that will be delivered. You can add it to a link, a page redirection link, or show a page. It might be your thank you page that you've customized, or your WhatsApp button, which is the link. Now it will redirect the person to the link, but we are leaving it to be a message. Now, as you may know, we don't have any post on the page, so let's add a post. You come over here, you select add new post. You can give your post a title. Let's say our first business website. Then you hit on publish. Before hitting on publish, you might likely want to choose a featured image for the post. If you already have an image on your system, you can upload one. In my own case, I'm choosing from this palette of images. You set it as the featured image. Now that the image has been updated, let's hit on publish. And publish. You can write the content here before viewing the post. Let's say, let's go online and look for any random post. You can just click and paste whatever you want to post here, and click on hit on save. Alright, let's go back once more. So we can set up this post page. You see this reading? Click on reading. Now that you're reading, leave this page to the static page, home page to the home, which is your home page. Then the post page, because I've not added a post page, I think I should go back and add a page called blog. Let's add a new page. Yeah, we'll name this page blog and hit on publish. Remember, this is just a page we added now, so it will not show on the website except we include it inside of the menu. So let's go back and add it to the menu. You still come back to the appearance again. You click on menu. You see the blog here. You say add to menu. You can change it like I've always told you. You can position it anywhere you want it to be. Save menu. I come back to the settings, click on reading. Then you switch the post page to blog. Hit on save changes. Now I think we are halfway done with a customized business website. I believe you have seen the ways we started this. No single code was used. Everything we started it fresh without a single code. And I believe you can do something better than this. Although we didn't add any e-commerce function, we didn't build any courier or tracking page on it, we didn't add any news blog on it, but I would love you to just stay tuned, because those ones has a high, and I mean a high price on themes that we are using in building that. Things like SmartSupp is used in building blog websites. Things like Matfuri is used in building e-commerce websites. So if you need access to this team, don't worry, just reach out to me. I will also give you access to it and give you guide on how you can work with it. Thank you, and may God bless you all.